Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids, problem number 151. How to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. A pentagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant edges. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So this is the problem, and the final solution has been here. So we need to draw this by using AutoCAD software. So first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits 0, 0, lower left corner, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the cursor to the right side, take the distance as 297. Select the cursor to the top side, take the distance as 210. Select the cursor to the left side, take the distance as 297 and say close. Then go to zoom extends and zoom 0.6x. Now we go for layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, enter. Click on new layer, type the layer by name axis. Click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name top view TV, and click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden, enter. Click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden, enter. Now we go for layer 0, which is of 0.05, layer XY, which is of 0.13, and layer axis, which will be of 0.05, and then the front view will going to be of 0.5, and the top view will not be of 0.5, and the front view hidden will going to be of 0.3, and the top view hidden will going to be of 0.3 now. Then go to hidden line type, go to hidden and say OK, and similarly click on load, take it to center because the axis will going to have center line. So you just click on hidden, then you come down to front view hidden, click on the line type of hidden and say OK, and take the axis line type which is continuous here. By default you make it as center, and then the axis line type will going to have magenta color. Then we have the front view as red color and the top view as blue color. Similarly, the front view as red color and this top view hidden as red color. Top view hidden as blue color, and say OK. Finally, we're going to close this. Now we go for this polygon command. Take the number of sides as 5, take the edge option, so you take this as 25. Then go to line, take int of this, take the midpoint of opposite edge. Then go to line, take int of this and midpoint of the opposite edge. The opposite edge is this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and take int of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then you select this, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just switch on this and then go to line, select this and draw a horizontal line and take the height as 50. So go to offset, take the distance as, go to offset, take the distance as 50, select this horizontal line and offset. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this and take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you take intersection part of this. Then go to erase this. Then go to front fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to break this line till here and you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis and take the line type scale factor as 10. So here You select this and you select this lanes, go to layer, make this as front view. Now we need to copy this to the second position and then take this. Then go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy to the next position. Then go to rotate, select this entire drawing, base point to take intersection of this and go to reference, take int of this and take intersection of these two. So you keep it here. Then go to move, select previous and bring it nearer. So then go to line, take int of this, and since it is resting on one of these slant edges, so you take this slant edge from here, draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take int of these two and you take int of these two. So which is these two lines, those two lines will come here. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of these two. Similarly, you take line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this cutting edge as this and this as the object to trim now. Then go to line, take int of this, take intersection of this and 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 then int of this and take int of this now. Similarly, you just go to mirror, select these two, mirror with reference to that is nearest point on this side. So once you have this, then go to break this line first point, take int of this till here at the rate. Then break first point, then break, select this as then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and take at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then here it is broken and here also it is broken. So everything is fine. So you select this line, you select this line, you select this line, then this line, and all the exterior edges, the boundaries of the solids are visible, and these two edges are visible, and these two edges are visible. And go to layer, make that layer as top view now. Similarly, you select this line and you select this line and go to layer, make that layer as top view hidden and you make this as 15 mm. So once you do that, so we have this line which has been done. Now we need to rotate this by an angle of 45 degrees. So to do that, so you just go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and similarly from here to here you draw the horizontal line, and then from here you again draw this horizontal line. Then go to line. So now you just copy this entire thing and copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate this drawing with reference to this point, take the rotation angle as 45 degrees, then go to move, take previous selection and you bring it near to the screen. Then go to zoom window, select this, then you just switch on the auto mode, take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of these two, then you take these two lines now from here, take perpendicular to this line, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then again go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this then go to line, take endpoint. So take the cursor here, you will go to get this. So draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to fillet between these two now. Once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, and then intersection part of this, then intersection part of this, then int of this, then int of this, then int of this now. Then you just go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take int of this. Then you just go to line, take int of this and take int of this. Then go to break this line first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then you break this line till here, then go to erase. Now here all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and the surface, here you just break this also. First point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then you select all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and the surface near to the observer is visible. So these two, so naturally this line is also visible. So you take front view. So the edges which are invisible are these two. You just go to this and make this as front view hidden and make this as 20 mm. Then again you just click over this line, go to you just click over this line and go to layer, make that layer as axis and make this as 10 mm. So here once you get this, then you just go to the zoom previous, click on these lines and you make that line as layer XY. Once you do that, so you just go to zoom window, bring it nearer, then go to break this line till here, then go to DDIM, then go to modify, you make this primary units precision as 0, then go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line above, take this as 3, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, then go to OK and say close. Now we have dim, take intersection point of this and take intersection part of this. Now you take this dimension as 25, then again you take int of this and take intersection part of this, so you're going to get it as 50, and then go to angular, select between this line and this line, so you are going to get it as 45 degrees. Now once you do that, then go to dtext, then you come down to dtext. So here take the height as 3, rotation angle of text as 0, so take Y and type PP, and here you type HP, and here it is small a, B, C, D and E, here it is O, and here within brackets O1. Then we have O dash, then we have A dash, here we have B dash, here we have C dash, here we have D dash, and here we have E dash, and here we have O1 dash in bracket. So once you have this, then go to move, switch on the ortho mode. So you move this X, you move this VP, you move this HP, you move this A, you move this as E, you move this as O, and you move this as O1, you move this as B, you move this as C, you move this as D, and then you move this as A dash, Then you just go to dim TED, text edit dimension, and you take it out. Then go to move. So you take E dash. So here you take it as O dash. Here you take it as O1 dash. Here it is B dash. Here it has D dash. Here it has C dash. Then you move this Y. So now you just click on A, E, O1 and B, C and D and HP. You go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just escape it. Then similarly select this front view points, and then you just go to layer, make that as front view. Then you just go to copy this O dash here, copy this C dash here, then you copy this B dash here, and you copy this D dash here, and then you copy this O1 dash here, then you copy this A dash here, then you copy this E dash here, then you copy this O here, and that O will come here, and you copy this A, which will be here, and that A will come here, and this B will be here, and that B will come here. You copy this C here, and that C will come here, and you copy this D here, and that D will come here. You copy this E here, and that E will come here, and you copy this O1 here, and that O1 will come here. So you just move this B, you just move here D, then you just go to DD edit, you make that as O1, you copy this as you move that as O1, and you modify this as O1 only, because entire pentagon is visible, so O1 should be on that surface, so it becomes visible. Now you just go to the text. So here you have O dash, and then we want A dash here, then B dash here, then C dash here, then D dash here, then E dash here, and then O1 dash here. So once you do that, then go to zoom window, then go to move. So you select this B dash, so you select this A dash, you take it E dash, O1 dash, then C dash, then D dash. Once you do that, now you select all these texts and then change that to layer front view. So you make it as front view. Now once you do this, so this is how you will be able to complete the drawing by using AutoCAD software. This is a pentagonal pyramid resting on one of the slant edges, which having and appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. Thank you.